Alright, so the content has been a little bit slow lately, as you know, we're reaching the point of the year where it is the opposite of the point of the year in the winter, where now it is extremely freaking hot outside. So yeah, it's about, I think it's like 93 degrees out right now, and there's a heat index, so it is extremely hot, and I have no intention, or I am completely unwilling to get the cars out because it's just excessively hot for something that's supposed to make power with a little bit colder air. So the other day, threw the GoPro on my head, did some old style point of view driving, trying to do some testing and stuff to see where the GoPro would actually make sense at, because it seems like I'm taller than I thought I was, and it sets the GoPro up a little higher. But regardless, the car makes beautiful sounds. We've got some pulls, acceleration, you know, it's all the good stuff. Lots of wind noise, I'm sure. But just wanted to give a little intro here so you guys know what's going on. The video is very random. My GoPro batteries are not surviving long enough for this to work. So, with that being said, hope you guys freaking enjoy the point of view driving. And yeah, drop a like. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. More fuel. Oh, that's always good. Guys asked for it, so here you go. Point of view and the Supra. I haven't used this clutch in a few days, about a week. Feels lighter than I remember. You guys can see fairly okay. I don't even know why. It just seems like I'm taller than most. I'm not even that tall. But everybody else can wear a point of view, but whenever I do, it doesn't matter how far I tilt it down. If for whatever reason you can freaking see my visor. I thought it was just a 240 problem, but I guess it's in the Supra also. Into the air. Man, this car sounds so good. Golly, that sounds so good. This turbo spools up so fast. I never really got to see what it was like in the white Supra, but here we are. Pulsar for life, guys. Pulsar for life. I'm gonna sit at the stoplight looking goofy. But it's okay, I have someone to take the goofiness away from me equally beside me.
Now, if you want to look real goofy, I'll go home and get mine. And we'll both sit here with GoPro strapped.
That would be freaking weird, wouldn't it? I'm seeing you looking at me, looking at you. Everybody's doing the same thing together. god, this thing sounds like an animal. I think this guy's wondering what's going on. Man, oh my god, this car is really easy to speed in.
Yes.
That was just 80 miles an hour. That's like the 240.
I find myself doing the same thing in the Lexus.
You don't even mean to. Like it's like, god dang, I'm leaner than motherfucker. Look at this kid. He's telling his mom, he's got a camera on his face. Guess what? I can side-eye you because I got glasses on.
Mom, is that a Supra?
I don't think he's ever played a racing game in his life. He's not neck breaking. It's my turn. Good luck, everybody else.
Clutch is so bitey.
It is.
Did you hear your tire chirp back there?
Did it?
Yeah.
Is that? I wondered if that was what that was. Look at that. I'm so fat. Motherfucker's using his turn signal all the way over here. I cut that whole line, except for this guy.
Except for the guy who uses his turn signal to go straight.
All right. My GoPro got all freaking hot yesterday, so my batteries and stuff were kind of dead already. We're fully charged up. Got the Targa off. And holy cow, it is windy. But that's okay. It's not too bad out here. About a 400% humidity. No problem. We're out here cooking. I'm like actually cooking. I'll be a piece of bacon before too long. Oh, look at that. We got a Donkey Kong bounce house. Ain't nobody jumping in it though. That's weird. I had to do some slight tuning. I added 3 or 4 degrees of timing up top after 5,000 RPMs. As you guys know, these lower ends are very, very resilient, but they can still only handle so much. And one of their biggest enemies is low-end torque. So, gotta keep that torque out of there. All the power comes in up high. Is he outside? He's outside. Where's he at? There he is. I seen him. Come down here and take the cul-de-sac. Also, as T56 do, they just get extremely noisy over time. Assad. Yeah, baby. Got the old Targa out of here. Brothers. My God, it is windy. gets going. Now. Alright, we got this bridge here. Jesus.
Oh, man.
This thing is an animal. We got a call.
My seatbelt locks.
Did it?
Time.
It does seem to lock every time you do a pull, huh?